In this video, we're going to be installing the shift knob on this 1996 Ford F-150. Alright, so we're inside the vehicle. Here you can see our shift lever. On the top, we have our shift knob. To remove the shift knob in this vehicle, we're going to put it in 4th gear, which is basically just down so we have a better angle. We're going to brace ourselves up against the floor here. We're going to grab a hold of that knob and pull straight back. You can see you have some geared ends here, and you have matching on the inside gears, which will slide into and lock it in place. To install your shift knob, what I like to do is take your selector, put it in 1st gear. Then you can take your knob, loosely put it at the top, angle it so it's right where you want it. You don't want it upside down, you don't want it too far over. Angle it to your preference. Go ahead and give it a couple of taps straight down. Once you've done that, go ahead and put it in 4th gear and just give it a light tug back. Make sure it doesn't come out. If it does, go ahead and give it a couple more taps in, and that's it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.